Are you looking for the best Xbox One modded controllers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Xbox One modded controllers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. MODDEDZONE Rapid Fire Modded Controller. In this Xbox One modded controller, you will find advanced custom features. This will allow you to use it according to your needs and have a better advantage. Moreover, this comes in a fully adjustable design and you can control it with the help of the MZ Titan app. Additionally, it comes with a Bluetooth feature so that there will be quick pairing. This will also let you use it conveniently and serves great for all types of gamers. The product is 100% undetectable and you can choose from additional mods. Furthermore, it allows you to add to your profiles by switching in between functions. At number 4. Premium Controllerz Xbox One Modded Custom Controller. This one comes in an undetectable design and includes multiple features. The Xbox One modded controller allows you to have custom button installation and it makes sure there will be easy mode change. Additionally, the product includes Bluetooth technology so that you can have gaming on tablets and Windows 10 PC. The soft touch technology will also make sure that you have better comfort. Moreover, this can be perfect for having lasting gameplay and you can easily select from multiple colors. Furthermore, this is compatible with different types of games including GTA, Call of Duty, Halo, and Battlefield. At number 3. MODDEDZONE Custom Modded Controller. This one comes in an easy-to-use design and it has an attractive look. In this, you will find advanced features so that there will be perfect controls. Furthermore, the Xbox One modded controller comes in an adjustable design and lets you use it with the help of the MZ Titan app. With this, you will be at top of the game. Moreover, it comes with convenient button combinations and offers you many options. You can also easily choose from the Auto Scope, Auto Sprint, Rapid Fire, Burst Fire, and much more. Additionally, it makes an ideal product for every gamer and you can even gift it to anyone. At number 2. Xbox One Red Modded Rapid Fire Controller. This one has wide compatibility so that there will be user convenience. The Xbox One modded controller comes with a Bluetooth feature and you will also find that 3.5mm jack. Additionally, it makes sure there will be a quick setup so that there will be an amazing experience. It comes with a custom shell having soft touch technology that offers user comfort. You can even use it in multiple modes and have a better advantage. Moreover, this is available in a unique design and makes sure there will be perfect gaming. Furthermore, it has multiple features including the quick auto rim, drop shot, and much more. At number 1. Premium Controllerz Soft Touch Custom Modded Controller. Equipped with a soft touch feel, this comes in a new design. It lets you have exceptional comfort along with better control due to the convenient grip. Furthermore, this comes with Bluetooth technology and it has wide compatibility. It makes sure there will be an easy setup and the unique design will let you have a perfect gaming experience. Moreover, this can be perfect for having longer gameplay and it comes with a custom shell. Additionally, the product will not disappoint you when it comes to performance and you can have better dominance while playing your game. This has multiple features and is very durable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.